What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Tracy Chapman, Fast Car. Great song. Alright, so let's start with putting a capo on 2nd fret, please. 1, 2. We got different ways we can play this for the beginner or the more advanced. Let's learn the chords first. So we got C major, 1, 2, 3, to G major. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then E minor, 1, 2, 3, and D major. So if you're a beginner, you can play if you want to make it a little bit more advanced, you can go that's over the C major, open B to a C to open B, and then pinky on the 3rd fret, G, and then you pick melodies all strum down and do like a hammer on there, 1st fret B string, and then you pick 2, 3 over the G. Okay, and if you're advanced and you want to play just like her, you got Pierre. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 from the capo. 7 on the A string, 8 on the B, and you gotta pick A and B string together. I'm using my thumb, and then move to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. And then you pick 2, 4. For the bridge, that happens 2 times, I believe. We got C major, G major, E minor, D major, and then C, E minor, D major, stay there, C, E minor, to D, now a quick C to D. Let's do a bridge together. C major, E minor, down, 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 C, E minor, D, C, E minor, D, a quick C to D. Cool. That's all the parts in this song. So, quick review. For a beginner, just play C, G, E minor, D. Or if you want to grab the melody. And then pick B to 2 to 4 there. Alright, and then the bridge. C to G, E minor to D. Two times, and then C, E minor. Actually, that first one is just once, and then C, E minor, stay on D. C, E minor, D, and a fast C to D. Wonderful. Cool. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow, as always, with more classic hits. Be safe.